I'm Jeevan Reddy from Mitra Nexa Automobiles Private Limited, Paradise, Secunderabad. I am going to explain you now the Maruti Nexa exclusive launched on XL6, which is available in petrol with a 1.5 liter smart hybrid engine. It's available in both automatic and manual versions. It's coming up with two variants, which is Zeta and Alpha. Both are high-end variants only. The major is everything remains like engine, performance, everything remains same, except only thing is the feature is the differences, like LED quad chamber LED lamps. It comes with an sportive bumper along with that silver finish skid plate, and also it comes with an LED quad chamber LED projected headlamps, and it comes with an sportive bumper and sports finish black alloy wheels. And also it comes with an side mirrors with iconic black glossy finish, and it comes with an quick access button as well with chrome handles, and it's add these roof rails to the sportive look for the car, and this side skid plate along with that silver and black finish of side skid plates, and the 170 mm of ground clearance, which is first in segment in the segment. Also XL6 comes with a glossy rear spoiler, mid spoiler and up spoiler along with the glass roof antenna, and also tail lamps, LED combination tail lamps with that chrome garnish mid spoiler, and sporty rear bumper with the silver combination. And XL6 is giving the 210 liters of boot space, which is the highest boot space in this segment. And also they have given 50-50 split foldable seats. And XL6 is giving that remote keyless entry with smart push start smart button. And also we can use as a quick access button with the chrome handles. XL6 is giving 6-way adjustable driver comfortable adjustments, which is front, back and downside, again upside, and this lumbar support also we can adjustable. The 6 type of seat 6-way adjustable is available in this version, which is allowing both the versions. And we can operate with electrically adjustable ORVMs and electrically foldable ORVMs, all power windows with that power windows lock with manual central locking and unlocking. So it comes with an with 1.5 liter smart hybrid engine. We can check that the green symbol is that eco-friendly driving, and white is battery charging, and yellow orange is for torque assist function. It comes with an speedometer and RPM meter, along with that digital illuminating door indicators, and also it comes with an cruise control function with the handy Bluetooth which access commands, voice commands. Also it comes with 7-inch touchscreen navigation system along with that reverse camera, and also we can use Apple compatibility and Android Auto functions is available with this thing, and AC also we can adjust automatically. It comes with an satin finish dashboard with that chrome accents with the chrome accents. Here it is the glow box, and also it comes with a dual airbags, which is driver and co-passenger airbags. Also it comes with a sunglass holder in Zeta and Alpha. Both the versions will come with the sunglass holder and illuminating lights for nighttime visibility. The advantage of XL6, we can, any of the age people can sit, ingress and egress is very comfortable and very handy. And also it comes with a 6-seater with the captain seats of middle rows. Basically, this is the executive coach seatings, and we can easily operate, and you will get that extra leg room also. It is completely a different AC, which is comparatively earlier they used to give the same blower to the rear, but in the XL6 they have introduced the separate chamber for the AC. This is a complete separate chamber of AC, so that they'll get some fresh air and very good AC. This is the overall features of a new exclusive XL6 6-seater vehicle, and also it comes with an 1.5 liter smart hybrid engine available in only petrol version, and it comes with an 2 variants, Zeta and Alpha. Both are high-end variants only. Also it's the tank capacity of 44 liters of tank capacity is available with this thing, and of course company certified mileage is 19.7, but on road condition you will get that 16 mileage. It's starting with an basic ex-showroom cost is 11 lakhs 40,000, on road price 12 lakhs 24,000. It's included with an ex-showroom life tax, insurance, warranty, and also it's giving an 5 years warranty, either 1 lakh kilometers warranty from Maruti. And now in this condition we are offering 100% on-road finance available. Terms and conditions apply. Some business documentation or for corporate employees, for any self-employed persons, 100% on-road funding also available. This is the Mitra Nexa, and I am the relationship manager here, which is located Paradise Circle beside Bajaj Electronics, MG Road, Secunderabad.